Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with the Darlings. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic oven-baked rice pudding. It's simple, creamy, and one of the most comforting traditional desserts. You will need 75 grams of pudding rice, 900 milliliters of full-fat milk, 3 tablespoons of castor or granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of butter, plus extra butter for greasing the dish. Start by preheating your oven to 160 degrees for a fan-assisted oven. Grease a shallow oven-proof dish, then add the rice, sugar and milk. Give everything a gentle stir to combine. Next, place small chunks of butter on top and add optional flavorings if you like. Bake the pudding in the oven for about 2 hours. During the first hour, gently stir the rice once or twice to prevent it from sticking together. As it cooks, the rice absorbs the milk and becomes rich and creamy, while the top forms a beautiful golden skin. Once the rice is tender and the pudding has thickened, it's ready to serve. Enjoy it hot on its own or with a bit of jam, cinnamon or extra butter. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple homemade recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!